kitchen, and my lovely children here are going to be helping me today. The topic today I wanted to discuss was vegetables, and in particular, can they be like candy? I say so, and we're going to use our little taste testers here to see if they think so. So, vegetable candy this year for Halloween, what do you think? This is our bowl of candy for our trick-or-treaters, but maybe after today, vegetable candy is what will be filled up with that bowl. All right, here's our first taste test. Let's do a carrot raw. Take a bite. Take a bite. And look at this. We even have a carnivore, and he is going to try his vegetables. So what do we think? The cop? Raw. Not so bad. Supergirl likes your carrots. Yep. Werewolf does too. Now, to make them into vegetable candy, it's a very simple little trick. You put them in the oven, caramelizes it, and so it makes them sweeter. So this little carrot will have a completely different taste than the raw. There's the roasted. A little warm yet, so be careful. Pull on it. Does it taste different?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sure.
A little bit different? Does it taste better?
Yeah.
You like your roasted vegetables.
Yeah.
Okay. So now with that carrot, we could have easily used like a dip. If your kids are having a hard time getting vegetables in, show them different dips. This is a hummus dip, roasted red pepper hummus. This is a homemade ranch dip that I've done. And then this is guacamole, or we'll just sometimes smash up avocado. Avocado. They love our avocado. So lots of different ways to introduce those raw vegetables, but changing the taste with roasted helps too. Let's move on to our next one. Ready? Now, radishes. Okay, a radish, I'm going to give you that littler one. Radish. Now, before we eat, they could be a little bit spicy, okay? Or hot. So tell me what you think. Just take a small little bite. You took a big one. What do you think of it?
Good.
It's good? You don't mind the radish? Sometimes that's a special taste to kids. Like, not all kids are going to go for a raw radish. I, as an adult, don't go for a raw radish, but I can eat these up. No big deal. And if you don't want to finish your raw one, you don't have to. Okay, so now take a bite of the roasted, or my vegetable candy radish.
It tastes much better.
Much better, says the werewolf. Yeah, cop? Yeah, Halloween candy, we might be able to serve a roasted radish. Not a fan.
No.
Supergirl's a little particular. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up. Okay. All right, so now I actually have asparagus on the raw plate, but very rarely do I even do that because it just tastes so woody. Okay, so we're going to skip it raw. We're going to go right to the roasted.
Yummy.
I know, everybody likes their trees.
Eat it. Please.
Yeah, eat it. Asparagus is one of the healthiest vegetables imaginable, and if your kids will try it, roast it in the oven, meaning you just put it on a cookie sheet, put a little avocado oil or coconut oil, and maybe a little sea salt just to give it some flavor, and roast them in the oven until they're a little bit softened. That's what roasting is. It's pretty easy. Okay? Asparagus is a winner here in this family. Yay. Okay, so some other things that I did to help with supplying vegetables as much as possible to your kids is to make a little vegetable tray. It makes it a little bit more appealing, eye-catching. So I cut up some peppers, and I have some cherry tomatoes, easy to grab, easy to dip into their special dips. So always offer a big variety of vegetables because you never know what they're going to grab, and making it presentable is going to make them understand that it's supposed to be consumed every day. Okay? Now, some other things I put on here, and this is a sweet potato, roasted sweet potato. I think they're amazing this way, and I can just pop them in all day long this way. I consider this a starch or a carbohydrate. If your kids will eat these, just get them into them. These are amazing, amazing nutrition. full of great vitamins and minerals, and it's a fat busting food for you moms who want to lose a few pounds. Eat your sweet potatoes. Okay, do we want one of those?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oops. I know Finley doesn't like the outside. There you go. Here. Okay, eat the inside. Awesome. So other vegetables I just don't have on hand today but are great for roasting and making your vegetable candy is zucchini, squash, either yellow or butternut, broccoli, cauliflower. You really can roast anything. Turnips, and even kale. You can put kale onto a cookie sheet, roast it in your oven, and it makes into a kale chip. So if they're looking for a snacky potato chip sort of idea, kale chips could be a win in your family as well. So this year, vegetable candy is what we're serving for our Halloween trick-or-treaters. What do you think?
Yes. Good.
Good. I hope this is a win in your kitchen as well, and happy Halloween. Well, all my trick-or-treaters are busy gobbling it up. I just want to say thank you for watching, and please keep supporting my channel by subscribing below and comment which vegetable candy does your family love and devour even when it's not Halloween. Well, all my little trick-or-treaters here are gobbling up the rest of their vegetable candy. I want to thank you for watching today, and please subscribe so we can continue making some fun videos and teaching you how we make every day a little more healthy in this house. Comment below with the favorite vegetables that your kids were devouring, and let me know, did they like them raw or did they like them roasted? I want to hear your comments. Please write down below, and we'll see you next time on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.